I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Crypto.com account, don't worry, here is how to regain access. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app. Launch the Crypto.com app on your device. Make sure you are using the latest version to avoid any bugs. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, tap on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you to the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email. Input the email address associated with your account. Check for typos, as a small mistake can delay the recovery process. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Crypto.com with recovery instructions. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Before starting recovery, use the Crypto.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you encounter any issues, remember that the recovery email can sometimes take a few minutes to arrive. Good luck, and I hope you be back in your account soon.